Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to get Photoshop for free. Adobe Photoshop is a professional photo editing software that is not available for free legally. Adobe offers a free trial version of Photoshop that you can use for 7 days. But after the trial period, you will need to purchase a subscription to continue using the software. While there are some websites that claim to offer free downloads of Adobe Photoshop, downloading and using such version is illegal, and you can lead to serious legal consequences as well as security risks to your computer. So just purchase it after you use the free trial version. So that's how to get Photoshop for free. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.